with chocolate chips and salt flakes. Hello guys, today gelato al cioccolato or chocolate ice cream. Don't worry, if you have bought the machine with my discount, with the coupons, don't worry, you will use it because I will post a lot of recipes. For this one with the chocolate, we put inside the pot already 320 grams of whole milk, the one that you buy in the supermarket from the fridge. We need to add 130 grams of sugar, 20 grams of inverted sugar. If you don't want to make it, I posted the video already. You can use instead 20 grams of honey. And chocolate, I will use 95 grams of chocolate at 85% of cacao and 150 grams of chocolate at 50% of chocolate inside of cacao, and also a piece of vanilla pot. Now we need to stir until the chocolate melts. After we remove from the stove, we add the cream, 320 grams of fresh cream, and after we can add also the yolk. Everything ready. Now we should wait that reach at least the room temperature, but adding the cold cream is already warm. Even better if you store in the fridge. After, directly from the fridge, we will put in our ice cream machine. Sorry, but upside down for me was not easy to read the time. So if, like me, you are chatting with your friends, you can make cooling only. No, I'm joking. If you finish to make ice cream and you are busy doing other stuff, maybe preparing the next ice cream, you put cooling only with the time and your ice cream will stay there without melting. So now I take a container that I put already in the fridge, so it will be cold. I put my ice cream inside. On the top some chocolate chips. I will store back again in the refrigerator, in the freezer. See you tomorrow for the tasting. Spectacular, with the chocolate chips, a little bit crunchy, and this saltiness given by the flakes, really spectacular. The only problem that I decided to make the tasting on the balcony. It was very windy. So guys, sorry for the sound. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you make this ice cream or this gelato, let us know down in the comment. Bye bye.